Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and jumping straight to extensions so you can edit shortcuts now. Open Chrome, / extensions, or use menu more tools extensions. Once open, turn on developer mode at the top right. This exposes the extra menu items you need. Then click the 3-line hamburger icon and choose keyboard shortcuts. You're not done yet, but these steps place you exactly where Chrome consolidates custom keys, so you can set or overwrite shortcuts safely. You now assign or change specific key combinations for extensions and actions. Click the shortcut field next to the extension or browser action you want to modify, then press your desired combo. Include modifiers like Control, Shift, or Alt so Chrome recognizes it. Make sure to set whether the shortcut is global for system-wide use or only in Chrome. Some extensions offer both. Once you press the keys, Chrome saves immediately, but make sure the combo doesn't conflict with existing system or browser shortcuts. You finish by verifying the shortcut and resolving common conflicts. Test the new key in Chrome. If you enabled global, test it while Chrome is not focused to confirm system-wide registration. If the shortcut doesn't work, check your operating system's keyboard shortcuts and any utility apps that capture keys, because they often block Chrome. Once identified, change or disable the conflicting binding, or reset the Chrome shortcut field, and pick a different combo to ensure reliable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.